Hello everyone, welcome to Shop Dev. So in this video we are going to have a look at the new C# 10 feature file scope namespaces, which is a very quick and simple concept. So let's begin with an introduction. So the file scope namespace is a new C# 10 feature, and it works only with files containing one namespace. Okay, so in a source file you cannot contain both file scope namespace and the normal namespace. Well, the normal namespace is also referred to as the block scoped namespace. So we'll see in a quick demo in Visual Studio. So the primary goal of this feature is to meet the needs of the majority of the ecosystem with less unnecessary boilerplate. So let's see the syntax and usage. So classically we have been writing namespaces like this, so with the namespace keyword and the namespace name followed by braces, and within the braces you can have a class and your methods. Okay, and it is also important to know that within the namespace we can have nested namespace, but for now in this example consider the root namespace, the file name scope namespace, file scope namespace demo. It can be converted as follows. So we remove the braces and we just type the namespace name followed by a semicolon, and it is understood that this class forms part of this namespace. So this is the classic block scope namespace, and this is a new C# 10 feature, the new C# way of writing the file scope namespace. So well, I've been able to test it in Visual Studio 2022 only, but we don't have this feature available with Visual Studio 2019, so demoing with Visual Studio 2022. So just check this namespace. So the classic way of writing it. So if you want to change it to the file scope namespace, so you just need to click on the line and get an option here on your left, convert to file scope namespace. But still you get the program will run and you get the same output. So here in this case, hello world printed on the screen. Okay, so that's it, first part, and you can convert it back to your block scope namespace. Okay, so this is what Visual Studio 2022 proposes to you. Okay, so now I will just consider a simple example. Okay, so here I have a block scope namespace. Okay, and I'll just add a nested namespace inside it. Okay, so namespace nested, and try to convert it to a file scope namespace. So Visual Studio, as you can see, it doesn't propose an option by default, so I'll just do it manually. Okay, let's change this as well. Put the class inside it. And you get an error that source file cannot contain both file scope namespace and normal namespace declarations. Okay, so let's revert back. So confirmed as per our theory. So we cannot have both file scope and block scope namespaces in the same file. Now I just want to make sure show you how it doesn't affect the existing functionality with block scope namespaces. For example, here you can still use it in your other classes. Okay, and you can create an instance of your class. Without any difficulty. Okay, so it works fine. And you can also use namespace aliases. Sorry. Okay, so you get the same functionality as with block scope or normal namespaces. So that's it, guys. Quick demo of the concept. So just a new way of writing namespaces. And to wrap up, so the key points to remember is that, well, in a source file you cannot have both file scope namespace and normal block scope namespaces. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.